can we talk about this right now? I mean, I'm blown away. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am creating this look right here. It's a no foundation makeup, very bronzy, very glowy, and super sun-kissed, which is basically my favorite combination of all time. So if you guys want to know how you could achieve this look, please keep on watching, and also please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at Rochelle Wick.
The first thing I'm doing is rubbing a frozen banana peel in my under eye area. What this does is it reduces under eye puffiness, and if you have dark circles and stuff, banana peels are great. It's a home remedy you could try. And then we're gonna do a very dewy glass skin look today, so you want to make sure your face is very hydrated. So I applied a hydrating serum. All the products will be linked down below in the description box. I'm not using foundation for this look, so I am applying concealer. This was the Jouer Cosmetics High Coverage Concealer Pen, I think that's what it's called. I'm basically concealing my under eye areas, and I'm also going to be highlighting the bridge of my nose. And then we're going to go ahead and apply some contour. I'm using the same product but a darker shade. And I don't want a super harsh contour, so I'm not applying the product directly onto my face. Instead, I'm applying the product to the brush, and then I'm gonna apply it to the face. What this does is it gives you a really nice, smooth, a very blended, soft contour, a more natural contour basically. And then I am gonna blend that, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also contouring my nose. I don't do like any dramatic nose contouring. It's just a very basic contour technique I use. But if you guys want maybe like an in-depth tutorial on contouring your nose, comment down below and let me know. And then before setting my makeup with a powder, I'm gonna apply blush. I'm gonna apply the powder blush directly on top of all the cream products. It will give you a really nice natural, just a really nice blush basically. Like, you guys really need to try out applying blush before setting your face. And then after applying blush, then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye area and the area around my mouth. I'm only gonna be setting I'm not going to be setting my entire face because we still want to. So I applied, like, I don't even know how to describe these colors, you guys. Like, there's so many colors now. I feel like I need to go back to school. But anyways, I applied a color on my crease, and then I applied a brown shade for my outer corner, and then for the eyelid I'm going to be applying kind of like a pink champagne shimmer shade, which is so beautiful. And that is basically it. You want to make sure you blend this look really well, because I'm trying to achieve a nice soft glam kind of a look. And then I'm gonna apply lashes. These are my lashes from my brand Rochelle Wick. Can go check it out at www.rochellewick.com. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply highlighter. This highlighter is called the Shimmer Brick by Makeup Revolution, and it's super cheap. It's under $10. I think it's like maybe $6. I'm not really sure, but it's super cheap and it is amazing, you guys. This is hands down one of the best highlighters of all time, and you guys really need to try it out. So that is what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna pick up two darker shades in the Shimmer Brick, and I'm gonna apply that as blush. And then moving on to lips, I am lining my lips with a lip liner, and then I'm gonna apply the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. So then I felt like I need some bronzer, because why not, right? So I applied the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Cinnamon Bun. It works as a great bronzer for me. So that's what I did. And that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see on my channel. Also be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Rochelle Wick. And that is it. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.